Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board. We are delighted to have you with us today. Please fasten your seat belts, sit back, relax, and enjoy a safe and pleasant flight with us. Thank you for flying with us. We wish you a comfortable journey ahead.